Turn your photos into Ghibli style art in just one click. As you can see, it looks beautiful. So let's go. First, go to Google and search for Sora. Open it. Now go to login button. Click on Sora. Then log in with your Google account. Here you can choose image or a video to generate. Click on plus icon to add an image. Here are some agreement terms. Read it carefully before use. Click on accept button, then select the image which you want. Now type the prompt, turn this image into Ghibli art style. Then click on remix button. Wait for few seconds or a minute. The generation is under processing. Now it's done. Let's see the result. This is amazing. Looks really nice. Click on download button to save it. You will only get 3 generation free. After that you have to pay for more. So this is how you can make Ghibli style art photos. So let me know in the comment what you think about this AI tool. Thanks for watching. See you again.